All right, gents. So in this video, we are going to look at putting or installing our windows and window sills. Should be relatively quick. We're not going to get a block for the windows because I don't want us to go into the commands for stretching, etc. So we're going to keep it simple. We're going to first do our window sills. So make sure that your perpendicular snaps on and that you're using the line command. And we know that we're going to work with 50 millimeters beyond the external edge of the wall. So I'm going to click there. I'm going to click release drag, then 50 mils. I'm going to pull it across, and my snap, if I just put my cursor onto that point there, the end point, and I just drag it up, you'll see it extends to exactly 2. Click and then snap on there, and that gives us the window sill. Now I'm not going to change anything yet. I'm not going to remove a wall line yet because I'm going to use this for the positioning of my window. So the next thing I'll do is come across here and do the exact same thing for this window. I'm going to go line command, enter, spacebar, remember, shortcut to the original, the previous command, click. I can even reference that now. I don't even have to put 50 in. I can reference that and then come across reference of that point, click, click, there we go. So we've got the window sills in place. And then the windows are 50 in diameter, in thickness, and obviously the length of the spacing we've got here. So kind of, it doesn't really matter in terms of the spacing. We're going to just use, so that'll be a 50 mil. We're not going with the 25 mil. So we need something that's going to be 50 by 2000 and 50 by 500. Okay, so I'm going to take my rectangle command, and what I'll do is I'll click here, start, drag it across, and you can see the first command is my length. So I'm going to go 2000 by 50, enter. I'm going to highlight that whole thing, and I'm going to move it, select the center point on the short edge, and then drag it. So let's move command, M, enter for the move command. Let me do that again a little bit slower. Move, enter, or M, enter, drag and highlight the object, select a reference point or a base point to move it on, and then move it onto the center point there. And you'll see that it is in place. It's here now where I can type in trim command or go select the trim command, and I can go and get rid of that external edge of the window. Here again, it's 50 by 500. So I'm going to go 500 for the the length, comma 50, enter. And then I'll highlight that, M for move, enter, select my midpoint as the base point, and then go and move it into position here. Trim command, enter, and then I can go and remove that external edge of the wall. There we go. So windows are done. In the next video, we'll probably go look at some blocks, especially the water closet. Potentially, let's get some furniture into the